Okay, so Toto just laying sit. We're going to show you.
Toto's a little puppy.
Okay, you have to follow her. Come here. Sit. No, all the way, you little cheater. Good girl. Can you bow for them? We're working on this one. Come here, bow. 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 No bow. Good bow. That's a good bow. That's a good bow. Okay, let's go back to sit now. Hey, you want this? Over here. Sit. Good girl. This is one that all dogs know, just so you know. Jump! Up. She has to think about it first. See? She knows it. All dogs know it. If it's something they want, they got it. Sit. Toto, sit. You're going to be fat. Bow. Bow. Lay down. Lay down. That's what we always do. We lay down, we twirl them, and this is bow. Good bow. Good bow. No, you don't sink your butt.
That's lay down.
Look, come here. Lay down. Lay down. Good, lay down. Good, lay down. This is roll over, just so you know. Let's do one more sit, and then we're going to do one more jump, and then you're done. Sit. Good girl.
Yes, Toto, Toto.
Jump. 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 She's very talented.
Toto. Look at us, Toto. Hi. Hi. This'll go, Toto.